Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Today we are making these adorable stuffed peppers. They are the perfect Halloween dinner. Festive, fun, and surprisingly easy to make. Each pepper turns into a glowing little jack-o'-lantern, filled with a hearty plant-based rice and soy chorizo mixture. Whether you're serving these before a night of trick-or-treating or as a cozy fall meal, they're sure to delight kids and grown-ups alike. Gather your ingredients. 1 large orange bell pepper per person. 1.5 cups cooked rice, jasmine, white or brown, your choice. 1 cup soy chorizo or more depending on taste. 1 cup water for instant pot. Optional add-ins. Black beans or lentils for extra protein. Corn, peas or diced carrots for color and texture. Shredded vegan cheese for a gooey inside surprise. Start by preparing your pumpkins. Wash the orange bell peppers. Slice the tops off each pepper and set the lids aside. Carefully remove the seeds and membranes inside. Mix the filling. In a mixing bowl, combine cooked rice and soy chorizo until well blended. Add in any optional mix-ins if you'd like a more colorful or hearty filling. Stuff your peppers. Fill each pepper generously with the rice and chorizo mixture. Gently press the filling down with a spoon so it's snug. Carve the jack-o'-lantern faces. Using a small paring knife, carefully carve triangle eyes and a spooky mouth into each pepper, just like you would a mini pumpkin. Be gentle so the pepper doesn't tear. Slow and steady wins the race. Carving tip. It's easiest to carve the faces before stuffing the peppers, but you can do it after if you prefer. I goofed on this part when I made them. Next time I will cut the faces first. Put the tops back on your peppers like little pumpkin lids. Set up the Instant Pot. Place the silver trivet into the bottom of the Instant Pot. Add 1 cup of water to the inner pot. Arrange your peppers upright in a heat-safe glass or stainless steel bowl, then place the bowl on top of the trivet. Cook the peppers. Secure the Instant Pot lid and set the pressure valve to sealing. Pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. Release the pressure naturally or quick release. Either method works. Serve and enjoy. Carefully lift the bowl out of the Instant Pot. Let the peppers cool for a few minutes before serving. Place on a platter and admire your spooky little jack-o'-lanterns before digging in. These jack-o'-lantern stuffed peppers aren't just dinner, they're a Halloween experience. With their cute carved faces and savory filling, they're guaranteed to bring smiles and maybe a few giggles to the table. So grab your peppers, carve some spooky expressions and let your Instant Pot work its magic. Dinner is served Halloween style. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow. So get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.